Welcome to Eastern Tennessee. During our stay in the Smoky Mountains, we camped at the Bear Cove Village Camp Resort in Pigeon Forge, now part of Jellystone Park Campground Resorts, just as of recent. It's the closest campground to Dollywood, only 1 mile away. It's a short drive to the main strip in Pigeon Forge and half-hour ride to Gatlinburg, with the entrance to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park in between. Nicely landscaped with all the amenities you need. Their check-in is very convenient. Their office also has a convenience store and some souvenirs. I'm sure Jellystone will be soon putting their brand on everything. A perfect place for every type of camping experience, whether you have an RV, camper, or tent. All the RV sites are full hookups, concrete pads, cable Wi-Fi, picnic table, fire ring, and clean gravel. And for travelers without an RV, they have cabins with all the luxuries of home. Fully furnished, stocked kitchens, private baths, and showers with air conditions and heat. They also have glamping tents. Up to 5 people can stay comfortably. They're mostly for sleeping. The bathhouses are very clean and equipped with washer and dryer. They have 2 pools to cool off on a hot day. And a fishing pond and playground. And even had a visit from Yogi Bear, which the kids really enjoyed. Some of the RV sites are next to cabins, so in the case of traveling with a large party, you could rent a cabin next to your RV site. A real convenience. Where you see Yogi's statue down there is the pond area with a nice walkway to enjoy. We enjoyed our stay here and definitely recommend it. Thanks for coming along, and you all have a great day.